Here at Express, cracked wheel repairs are our bread and butter. We do it very thoroughly, and we even stand behind the repair for 30 days, which I don't think any other shops in the valley do. We make it work because we select the aluminum filler that is more ductile, it's more flexible, so the repairs that we do are gonna last longer because we kind of understand how a wheel needs to behave. It needs to have some flexibility in it. We've kind of dialed in the process so well that we're really confident that if you crack a wheel, we can bring it back to full service. Every crack repair comes with a straightening repair built into it. If you just weld the crack and leave the wheel bent, because 98% of cracked wheels are cracked because they were bent, it is eventually going to re-crack just from harmonics of driving around. So we always straighten the wheel first. We make sure that it's at least less than 50 thousandths run out before we weld. And then after we weld it, we put it back on the straightener and we double check that it hasn't warped or changed. And then we adjust as necessary. So we're really straightening the wheel twice, and then we put the tire back on and it's ready for the road.